The WITS drug delivery platform, or WDDP, is one of a kind in South Africa. They've been working on very unique technologies that are being developed at the university. The technologies that they are developing are some of the first, both locally and globally. The man at the helm of this project is Professor Vinness Pillay.
I started off with getting very much interested in the area of drug delivery technologies, since that was the area of speciality with regards to my PhD. And undertaking this PhD in the United States at Temple University, I brought a whole lot of expertise to South Africa and embarked upon a research career here at the University of the Witwatersrand. At WITS University, essentially I am a South African research chair, and this falls within the realm of pharmaceutical biomaterials and polymer engineered drug delivery technologies. To cut that down a little bit shorter, I am essentially a research director in drug delivery systems and how one designs novel and advanced drug delivery systems.
The WDDP is partly funded by the Technology Innovation Agency. With these funds, the department has created several new and innovative drug delivery systems. One of these systems is a wafer delivery system. It allows a patient to absorb a drug that dissolves within a few seconds when it makes contact with the mucus in the mouth.
We have something very unique wafer technology. This is essentially a buccal wafer system, or it could be used as a sublingual wafer system. But very concisely, I think this system is placed into the mouth, and with our sort of very fancy polymers or vehicles that we use, we're able to deliver drug into the systemic circulation in a very, very rapid manner. And this could be in the order of seconds.
Another system Professor Pillay and his current team of just over 30 students and researchers have been working on is the Intelligent Intraocular Implantable, or iCube technology.
This technology essentially is implanted into the eye. It's used for very serious conditions such as uveitis. It is used for very serious eye conditions that might affect HIV positive patients or patients in the advanced stages of AIDS. The phenomenal thing about this technology is that it responds in response to the level of inflammation in the eye. So the more inflammation you get, the more drug or more bioactive agent is being released. So you don't have this continuous release of drug. And this is one of the problems with most, I would say, delivery systems on the market, is that you have this continuous dumping of drug into the body, which is essentially what is causing side effects, and what is causing side effects that are multiple fold. Side effects both locally, side effects both centrally, side effects that are uncontrollable.
Professor Pillay says these medical breakthroughs, like the wafer and iCube system, will have a major influence on both the pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industries.
What is very important for drugs that are considered to be narrow absorption window drugs or agents is that it's not just drugs, but it's your routine and general day-to-day vitamins and minerals that you consume. So this does not just impact the pharmaceutical industry, but the nutraceutical companies as well. And this is where nutraceutical companies are very much actually now in discussions with us, because they want to look at novel ways of improving their technologies. What we can see is that legislation is going to become much more significant and much more higher or more stringent when it comes to nutraceutical products. For example, the average vitamin that you buy off the shelf, you're no longer just going to simply pick off an average vitamin, because this product will have to go through stringent testing before it's actually put on the shelf. So we're going to have, I foresee, a cluster of companies that are going to start competing on the basis of technologies that they have to offer the consumer, and the technologies will have to now provide efficacious and superior products In the past, we didn't have to, or patients were not aware of this, that their vitamin products, for example, I wouldn't say all vitamin products, but many vitamin products on the market did not undergo testing beyond the lab. So everything was done in vitro, in a test tube. And if it looked good over there, then that was assumed to be good in the body. But what goes on in vitro does not necessarily go on in vivo. So in other words, what goes on in the test tube does not necessarily go on the same in an animal or the human body.